Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and that the display is responsive. This prevents confusing key presses later. Next, press the mode or setup key. On some models you hold shift then mode, because fix is a format option tucked inside display settings. Once you see the display format menu, note entries labeled fix, FSE, or float. These control decimal behavior. You want to move the selection away from fix now, so results return to flexible decimal output. You now change the setting. Navigate the menu to float or normal, because that cancels the fix format and restores auto decimal placement. Use arrow keys or type the menu number. On many handhelds, pressing a number, then enter does the switch. Once you choose float, confirm with the designated key, enter, equals, or OK, and exit the menu. Make sure to run a quick 2+2 or 1/3 to verify the display no longer truncates. To finish by testing several calculations, you should see normal decimal output and scientific notation when appropriate. If the calculator still shows fixed digits, power it off, remove batteries for 10 seconds, then restart. This often clears transient state. Make sure you did not switch to a specific number display like Fix 2 by accident. Revisit mode. If nothing helps, perform a settings reset but back up any stored data first, because resets erase memory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.